Hello friends, welcome to this series of tutorial for Linux. In previous video for part 1 5th A video I have discussed for basics about the permissions, like what is the read, write and execute, and in this video we will perform the lab, right? So I just ls here's many directories as well as file, and just mkdir back and rm-rf 12 and hi not just make move anaconda on backup, initial on backup and script on backup, user file on backup, and as well Ubuntu on backup. Still here the two file. Now my directory is clear. So in this video I will first continue for this permission. As you already know, read for the read permission, write for the write, execute for the execute, and nil permission. Before going to continue, I will start here little basics. What the user have the mask. To show the umask, you just type the command umask and you're able to see the user has the umask. Default umask is 0022 for root user. For the non-root user it is 0002. Now basically I'm just going to create a directory mkdir dir1 ls-l dir1. You simply look here, the default directory permission is rwx, rx and this. To continue, let me create some user, 3 user. Create one Alice, Bob and do Rita. Do user add for all and done. It's just going to create the 3 user right now. It's done. Tail happen 3 etc password. Now 3 user have created Alice, Bob and Rita. Perfect. Now I'm just going to take the 3 shell, not this one, this and this. I just have divided the shell for the different user. Right now we have the 3 windows for the, and I have the 3 user Alice, Bob and Rita. Let me go and user with all the 3 user. Switch user to Alice, switch user to Bob, and here on this switch user to. Now I have logged in with three users, Alice, Bob and Rita. First I go to Alice, clear here, and I do ls. Now I create one file, touch Alice, ls-l here, and I just moving ahead as a root user and creating one path mkdir on slash create one directory as a public and private. As you know, public is not exist, so I use -p for the parent. Now ls-ld for public. As of now, permission is read, write, execute, read, execute and read, execute, means 644, because the root user has the mask 0022, right? Now I go ahead and change this permission of public. Changing here, what is the command? Command is chmod, make it 7 for the root, for the user, 7 for group and 7 for others, and give the directory name. Or otherwise we have another command, chmod for all, a plus read, write, execute, and give the directory name. Else, another way we have chmod, I just give user read, write, execute, give the group and read, write, execute. For other, give the permission read, write, execute for the directory public and hit enter. So using this all the three way will work the same. Let me make it. Look, the all permission here, read, write, execute, read, write, execute, read, write, execute for the public user. Okay, so just I come here as a on the Alice portion, and Alice is trying to go on path public, right? Now Alice trying to create one file as a touch alice1, hit enter, ls-l, it is created. Just simply do this L. Alice is created. Now go to Bob, cd on public, touch Bob 1, ll, Bob is created. Good. Similarly, Rita also will able to create. cd on public, touch Rita. Rita also able to create the file. So able to see here, read, write, execute, read, write and read means 664, because they are creating the file. So the total permission would be 666, and for the directory has 777. Mask will deducted, and remaining portion is the permission for the user. Now they has the private directory as well. cd on public, ll long listing. The private has a permission is read, write, execute for the user, read and execute permission for the user, and read and execute permission for the user. So here user is root and group also root, means here user has the permission for the write, but its group don't have permission to write. Let's try here as a Bob. Is he able to first make it ls cd on private directory? Yes, he is able to go ahead because he has the permission to read. Perfect. Now he is trying to create a file, touch on Bob, hit enter, touch. Bob cannot have permissions, means his permission denied. Similarly, go ahead and check with the Rita, cd on private, touch Rita. Rita also not able to create because he don't have permission. Now I just go one step back and I will check on the public directory. Here mkdir and Rita. Rita file is already cannot create directory. Rita file exists. Okay. mkdir Rita 1 is created, ls-l. Rita 1 is created. For this Rita directory have the permission read, write, execute, and read permission. Means for the Rita user and Rita group have the permission to read, write, execute. For the others have the only read and execute permissions. Now I go to the Bob and taking one step back, doing ls cd to Rita 1. Now Bob is going to try to create one file. Bob. Again Bob is not able to create here because permission is denied. As you can see, the Rita directory has the permission for the user and for group is 7, but for other it is only just read and execute. That's why Bob is able to get inside the Rita folder. If Rita make the changes, one second, yeah, I just clear the screen here. Now ch on, let me check, does he able to execute the command. Ch on Rita going to change not the ownership, I'm just going to change mode, ch mode, and here for other going to add permission 7 or just write, because here the only read and execute permission is there. Just I going to add the read permission, write permission for Rita 1. I hit the enter, ls-ld for the Rita 1. Now the complete permission for the others. Now here getting one side back. Now Rita 1 again, touch Bob 1, make it. So this time Bob is not getting this alert for permission denied. Successfully here able to create the file. Perfect. If same way Alice will try, then again he able to get. But here one issue. Issue is what? If directory have created, in that case all the user will get the access. So anything could be happen. Just look here. Here one Bob1, and it just one file created by Rita. Like he just going to Rita1, or I just go ahead one step back, cd on public. You look here, Rita, Bob, Alice, they all have created their own file, and just going to cd on public ll. I'm the Bob. Now let me try to delete of file Rita. Does I am able to do? Yes, file have deleted. Same way here Alice, and he just doing is the ls command. He able to see here the Alice, Bob and Rita, and he just go ahead and able to create the directory. So it is not the same. For this we have the need to change the permission as per the user. Perfect. If I just moving ahead and make it the ll and changing the permission for private. This time I'm just changing the ownership. Like I like to have Rita will be user and Rita will be group for private. Do ll, and I just changing the permission. Chmod seven for user and 0 for group, for other, for the private, right? Now I'm changing here as well ownership. Rita will be user, root will be group, and for the private ls-ld for private. So here is what 7 for the user, for group has nil, for the other has nil password. Now I go to the Alice and I go to the public directory. I do the ll. This time he is trying to go ahead private. He is getting the message as permission denied. Going to the Bob, clearing the screen, going to cd on private. Again he going to message permission denied. Let me check with the same with Rita. Moving, go ahead and private. This time Rita has a permission to get inside, and he is able to create the file as well. Let me check. ll, he is able to create the file. Same way. Now in the above I just changing the here once again. Rita will be group, Rita will be user, and I like to have Bob will be group. Rita has a user, Bob is group for the private directory and hit the enter. And I also change the ownership, change for the permission is 640, means 6 for the user, means 6 means what, 4 and 2, but I'm not giving the execute permission. Then we check, hitting the enter, ls-ld of private. Now I just go to Rita here, one step back, cd on private. I'm getting the permission denied. Why? Here Rita is user, but still getting the permission for user permission denied here, because execute permission is he don't have. Even he has the read permission, write permission, but for the Rita she don't have the execute permission. Now we need to add the permission chmod user need to add execute permission on private directory. Now let me check with the user, does she able to get in private? Yes. So point to should be noted here, if in the directory execute permission is not exist, in that case user will not get into the directory. So basically, if you able to see, read permission for the read and execute for the permission. Even the user had the execute permission, then he not able to get. Let me just check with the lab. chmod plus for others, I like to have add the execute permission on the private. Perfect. Here if I just check, user would be Rita, Bob would be group, but for this directory Alice is not there, means Alice is other for the private group. I'm just go to the Alice, clear the screen, and Alice is trying to go inside the private. Here is no permission, there is no read permission, no write permission, even he able to get inside the private. Does he able to create the file as well? Alice, no. For creating the file he is getting the message permission denied. Does he able to ls? No, no read permission. So if the user had the read and execute permission, then he get read and execute. But if he had the only execute permission, that the user will get inside that particular file, but even he not able to get read or write. So I just come here, in the details I am discussed for the read, write and execute, and for the nil. Now I am moving the here. This denotes as a file, as already discussed. This because I have created the private directory, D denotes a directory. In place of D, some location you are able to see like L, C, B or S, that denotes for the different things. So I have changed the chmod user as well and this as well. Now moving ahead for the mask part, right? If you like to have to show for the what the mask user is obtained, so simply the command is umask, and you like to have change the umask, simply umask and give the whatever you mask like to have. Suppose this time is 0022. Instead I am just giving UMass 0024 ls. Now mkdir path 2 created ls-ld for path 2. Look here, this time this permission is getted by the user. What all? For the user, he is getting the full permission because he has this one 0, and total permission for the directory is what? Is 7. Means 7. Just look here, 00. This one total permission for the path is 777, and we have given the mask 0024, right? According to this, what would be the calculated mask? I mean calculated permissions. It would be 0, 7 and 5 and 3, because 7 minus 4 is 3. So this would be the permission. Same will be validated. 3 is for write and execute, read is missing, and 5 for read and execute, and this one. As you already have know, in the last time I will show you in the details how is mass is calculated. So this portion is also done here. Next, I'm moving ahead for the permissions. It's spatial permissions. Here I just clear the screen. Time would be, let me pause here, friend, and in the next video, in next portion I will discuss for the special video, because this video is going already is large.